You have just received your Promira Serial Platform and are wondering what to do next. In this video, we will show you the unboxing of the Promira Serial Platform and how to easily get started using this tool. The Promira Serial Platform is the latest in total phase development tools. It is an application-based tool that interfaces with I2C, SPI, and SPI applications and is field upgradable and future-proof. To get started, we will open the Promira Serial Platform box to see the tool and its accessories. As we remove the protective foam, we are presented with documentation on the product warranty. Included is a 34-pin to 34-pin header cable, a 34-pin to 10-pin header cable, and a USB standard A to micro B cable. Finally, we have the Promira Serial Platform. On one side of the tool, we can see the micro USB port as well as an Ethernet port. On the other side is a 34-pin receptacle for interfacing with your devices using one of the included header cables. Once unboxed, you will need to navigate to the Total Phase website to install a Software Gui to interface with the device. Users looking to emulate I2C or SPI master or slave devices will need the Control Center Serial software. To download this software, simply log into your Total Phase account, navigate to the store, and open the Software tab. Simply click on the GUI and select the version of the software needed for your application. In this example, we will be using the macOS download. We also offer the Flash Center software for memory programming and the Data Center software for SPI analysis. Once downloaded, launch the Control Center Serial software and plug the Promira Serial Platform into the host computer. To connect the tool to the software, choose Connect under the Adapter menu. We can see the unit serial number and license details. Select the tool and click OK. If you need to interface with low voltage systems, select Level Shift from the Adapter menu to choose your target system voltage. You can now begin reading and writing to your target I2C or SPI system using the I2C and SPI control panels. As you can see, the Promira Serial Platform is quick and easy to set up. For more information about the Promira Serial Platform, please visit us online at www.totalphase.com.